All right, today we are going to be learning about 2D shapes. Our objectives for today are students will be able to identify examples and non-examples of 2D shapes. Students will also be able to describe the attributes of 2D shapes. We will begin with our warm-up, which is going to be asking which 3 shapes go together. I will give the students a minute or two to think to themselves. Then they'll all be allowed to speak with a partner. Once they have a few minutes to speak with their partner, I will observe their responses and pick participants based on that. 2 responses I should get are A, B, and D because they are all closed finished shapes. Another response that I would get is A, C, and D because they are all triangles. Now we will be doing a card sort activity. Each card will have a shape on it. First, the students will sort the cards into a group with a partner. Then they will explain how they grouped the cards, and finally we will share with the class. So to sort the cards, they will work with a partner and put each shape into a group that makes sense to them. Once they have done that, they will give each group a category. I will remind them that a category is a label that tells how objects are in a group are alike. I will also let them know that if they can't fit all the cards into a group, that is okay, as long as they can get the general idea. Once they have finished putting all their cards in a group and label them with a category, we will go around for a gallery walk, and each group will have the chance to explain how they sorted their cards and why. Once that is finished, we will all regroup to the carpet, and I will introduce our worksheet where they sort shapes, kind of like we did with the card sort. Once they are finished with that, we will gather back to the carpet and play a little game, kind of like I Spy, where we look around the room. Every student gets a chance to find an object around them with shapes, and they will have to describe the shape to the class, and the class will have to guess what shape they are looking at. And that'll be the end of our lesson.